And here you see a citrus lemon tree. I grew it from seed. I believe it was from a Eureka Lemon. This is the first year that's producing a lot of fruit. Last year it only had a few lemons, but this year it's a very productive plant, as you can see. And they are delicious and smell great. What I like about them is that these ripen in the winter. So when that one, which is a seedless variety, that one produces in the summer, but when that one finishes, then this one starts. And so I have lemons and limes all year round, so this is a great addition to anyone's garden, and very prolific. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends. And I will be posting more videos like this. Thank you for watching.